Welcome to MSM method. Subscribe it now. Today I will show you how to create mini calculator in VB.net. So let's start our video. After resizing my window form, now I will add label from toolbox and change its properties. And now also add text box. Now I will copy paste it and change second label properties. So it's done. Now add third label in text box and change its properties. Now I will add buttons and name it as clear. Now copy paste this button. I need more 4 buttons for operations. Now let's change our window form color. Now let's change all buttons properties. So now let's start our coding. Follow my steps carefully. Write this code. Now paste this code in all 4 buttons and just change its operation like addition, multiplication and so on. Now write this code in clear button. So it's done. Now let's run our application. As you can see, our application is working properly. So here is our mini calculator. So friends, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. MSM Method.